What's happening, Hardscapers? Day one, and we're demoing a deck, a shed. Let's take a look at what we got here. Oh, it's done. Well, let's show you what we did. Over the next few weeks on this channel, we're gonna be transforming this backyard, tearing down the deck, getting rid of the shed, and installing a patio along with some natural stone steps. But first, we need to start with tearing down this shed. Now our next problem on this project is trying to figure out how we're gonna get this 1,000 pound plus pergola from the deck down to ground level and out of our way for excavation. You can already see what we've got rigged up here in this clip, but let me show you in detail what we did here. We clamped these 1,100 pound rated clamps onto each side, and that allowed us to lift it up nicely. We put the forks on the bucket. I got these funky forks that just clip onto the bucket. They're not great because they can only hold about maybe 400 pounds, but that's more than enough for it to lift up this guy. And then we just slid it on the forks, moved the machine backwards, slid it on the forks, moved the machine backwards, and so on to be able to get that off the deck. So here's what we're left with. I'm going to lift these posts out of the ground with our machine. So I've got to take these out. So I left them in so that I can get my forks in between them and pull out. Let's see how it does. We have to start digging now. This is going to be disposed of tomorrow. So that deck all came out. Most of the deck came down good. The shed came down really nicely. And then we broke that up. So now tomorrow we're going to dig this down. We've got 3 steps with like a half pyramid sort of design. So half of them are going to step this way. And then step that way, but no steps going towards the walkway there. What we've got here is it's going to be 7, 14, 21, and then 28 to the sill. And that's what we're looking at for the steps. I actually built this walkway 4 years ago now. This was done on gator base and actually it's still looking really nice. We'll give it a pressure wash to make it look even nicer after we're done here. But with the height of our steps, this becomes tricky because it's actually going to be higher than our walkway. So I'm going to actually have to relay the walkway a little bit to make that blend better with our steps. And at least they'll have a better slope towards the gate there. But steps will have to be going in first. We're going to do a poured concrete pad with 2, 4, 6 pillars going down to frost line, because these are going to be big natural stone steps that go in there. And yeah, this is day one. We're actually 1:30. Started about 9 a.m. So this was 4, maybe 4.5 hours of demo. If that, maybe 4 hours, because about 9:30 we really started. And that is a, let's see, 10 by 4,400 square foot deck. And moving the pergola, we also had to move the playground set, and we also had to demo the shed there. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you can catch the next videos on this project, which includes installing our steps and installing our patio, transforming this space as you currently see it into this outdoor living space for our client. Day 2 on this project. We're gonna be taking this out. We've already taken out the wood, moved the pergola over. So we've got some excavation still to do around here, but this is pretty much our soil. Bins out front. We're gonna be coming in and out, getting rid of it. That's it, and that's all for day 1 on this project. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment below any questions that you have, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more hardscaping content like this. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out this playlist that pops up here so that you can catch the other episodes from this project, transforming this space into this.